What's up, everybody? You're not gonna believe this. I'm building a camera stand. For anyone who has ever hated me, if you have a 30-inch monitor, any of that, I apologize. I'm shaking around right now. It's so hard to hold a camera still. Like, you actually have to be a cameraman and like kneel and crouch in weird ways. Like, you ought to see me right now. But at any rate, some of you might appreciate this because I finally took time out of my day to appeal to your beck and call, because you guys have requested many times that, actually no one's ever requested. I get told every day that my camera skills suck in one form or another. So I'm going to heed that. And for all you people who say my camera skills suck, I agree with you. Man, I agree with you. When I'm editing this stuff, I'm like, what in the hell? I'm all half in the shot, like half the flames in the shot, man. Jeez. So I'm putting in a little more effort there. This bad boy is drying. I just thought I'd show you what I had going on. Who knows, maybe you'll get a laugh out of this. Got this selfie stick out of the trash. My stepdaughter threw that away. It'd be kind of funny to make a bunch of money off of that bad boy and then maybe throw it in her face in a positive way. Teach her not to be a spoiled brat. Throw away perfectly good stuff that costs a lot of money. No, I'm just kidding. I might actually do that, but I gotta make the money, so probably not gonna happen.